Hey guys, so we're here at South City Kitchen. We're about to get us some dinner, and I have on my sweatshirt, so I guess this is like a fit check. So I have on my white sweatshirt, it's the Hampton sweatshirt from H&M, and then I have on this really cute Joy Love skirt. Y'all, it is so cute. So cute and flirty. I got it from Target. And then I also have on my Adidas court sneakers. So yeah, and Kim's about to do her fit check too. And then we're gonna go in and eat because we are hungry. Wait, do you want me to do it from here?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Hi guys, so I have on my Affirm dress. I love this dress. You guys saw this in the video where I was talking about summer dresses. So this is perfect to go. You know, and I can even transition this into the fall, but this is great for the end of summer. I do have my Melly Bianco bag. They're out of this one, but I do have another one that's so cute that I'm gonna tag for you guys. And then I got my sandals from Zara. They're so cute. Like, these are the perfect sandals. Now, they're not the most comfortable. Zara always has comfortable shoes, but they're not the most comfortable. And then I'm wearing my Fendi earrings here. And then I have rings from Zara. You guys, I have been looking at this particular product on TikTok for a few months now. I saw this guy do a review on it and I was like, you know, I kind of want to try it because I have discoloration on my sides of my face. And it's only $10.99 here. It's like $20 plus shipping on TikTok. And I'm getting this one because I don't have to wait for it. And I don't have to pay the extra money. Half off in Marshals.
So we saw these really cute slippers. So we've been wanting slippers like this. Kim actually has some from, I think, New York and Company. And she purchased us some like a couple of years back. And they were like this pretty burnt orange color. And they were furry. And but the toe wasn't out. And mine, I don't know how they got ruined.
I think you just wore them a lot.
Okay, so I wore them a lot, but these have the memory foam and they have this part here the rubber backing, and so they're less likely to, you know, mess up like mine did. But yeah, so they're really soft. Oh my gosh, they feel so good, and they're so cute. So you guys are gonna see these in our reels. Y'all, I gotta get my nails done tomorrow, but you guys are gonna see these in our reels a lot because they're just really cute, and in the like content period. Yeah. But yeah, so we got those, and then we also got this skincare. What is this?
By
serum?
Beauty
Serum.
Jolie, I think is how you pronounce that. So I found this on
I've
TikTok.
been seeing it too.
You've been seeing it on
TikTok?
TikTok
I've been seeing not on TikTok, on Instagram.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I saw this on TikTok a few months ago. And I have like hyperpigmentation on my, like where the contour would go for, I don't know what that part is called. Like, I guess under the cheekbone. I don't know. I have hyperpigmentation there. And so a guy actually I saw him use this for hyperpigmentation for his skin.
Oh, that black guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. And so I was like, I mean, he looks a little neutral. His before and after photos kind of, he looks a little neutral anyway. So because I'm really leery about like skin brighteners and stuff like that, because I don't want to alter my skin tone. Yeah. And I definitely don't want to get neutral, like, and start looking like I'm losing my color. And so I didn't buy it on TikTok. And then it went on sale like for $15, $16. And I was like, well, let me go ahead and buy it. But then it was like $4 shipping. And I was like, do I really want this? And so we were in Marshals today. We just so happened to go into Marshals today. And I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's that brand. And then looked it up and yeah, so this is it. This is the product. It's the Glow Deep Serum. Rice and alpha arbutin is the that's the product. And so
Korean skincare is like all the rage right now.
Yeah.
So to get this and at $10, oh yeah.
Yeah. So it's $10.99. So it's like half off the price that I would have paid with shipping and the price, because right now it's like $18 or so. But yeah, so we got that. And then I got more of the Iron Guard, the Chi Iron Guard. I needed more of this. I'm almost out and it's only $8. So guys, I have to redo my content for Temu because they said that they wanted me to do a more engaging post. They originally asked me to do, they sent me a example of my own work that I've done, and it didn't have any talking. I do have ones that I'm talking on, so they sent me one that I'm not talking on, and then they sent me someone else's that has a voiceover, and I thought that those were the styles that they wanted. But it turns out that they actually want me to talk through the pieces or talk through the content, and so that's what I'm doing now for this one. The life of a content creator, entrepreneur.
This bra. So y'all, I'm on my way to get my feet and hands done. And I really love my outfit. I love the skirt by Joy Lab. I got it from Target. And I love the white tank and the white button down. I have my Jalavu bag here. And then I have my Gianni beanie slides. But y'all, where's Waldo? Look at this bra. I got this bra from Lane Bryant, and all of their padded bras do this, and I really hate it. So if y'all have like any other brands that y'all wear or that, you would recommend, let me know in the comments, because this ain't gonna cut it for me. Like, I love wearing tanks, and I don't want to wear a tank and my bra is showing like the lining or whatever through the top. If you have any like recommendations for bras that are padded, and because padding is really good, it does good for lifting, and it helps with like full coverage, and I like a classy lift. I don't want like no all up in my throat. Like, no, I don't want that. But yeah, so let me know, and because yeah, we don't gatekeep over here, so don't gatekeep with me, please don't, y'all, because I'm struggling right now. So guys, this is the vase that I got from Target, and these are the hydrangeas that I got the vase for. I got these hydrangeas from Pottery Barn, and I love them so much. I've not taken like the sticker here off. There's another one back there. I haven't taken anything off. I just set everything in the vase just to see how it would look. And so it looks really good. I love these because they're full and they're pretty, but you can hear that. I don't really like that sound or that type of flower. I like the rubbery ones. I don't know, it's something about the way they feel. They just, I don't know, it gives me like real vibes, if you will. It's really cute. I love it. I love this. It's really cute. I'm looking for a chair to go over in this corner now, but yeah, my room is really turning out really cute. Oh, cotton candy grapes.
Not good ones.
Now you see how they do when it's time for us to like really start loving the grapes? They get nasty. It smells a little weird over here too. Huh?
I'm kind of sucked up. I hate picking through grapes.
Yeah, me too.
Mine has protein.
Oh, what's the? Oh, those chia seeds. Okay.
These have 5 grams of protein in them too, for 3 tablespoons. That's not enough, though.
Best thing.
Sauce, y'all.
So guys, we are looking for a vlogging camera. It's time for us to let go of vlogging with our phones, and so we're going to invest in a camera, but we're looking for something now. We're here at Target tonight, and this is really the only selection that they have, and we really want like a Sony ZV-1 or ZV-10 or whichever one of the vlogging cameras has like the really nice like aperture and all those things. And so we're gonna do more research. A lot of people love Canon, and this seems to be all that they have here are Canon cameras, but I'm not sure if people vlog with these. I don't know, they may, I don't know. But either way, I think we have this one when we were doing YouTube like some years back. We have the DS. DS? No, not DS, Lord. What is it called? D8, D7? Okay. That one. Okay. This is the Rebel. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I think people do use this one like for their regular videos. Yeah, regular YouTube videos, but we need a vlogging camera. And so, I think this would be the one. Whichever this one is would be the one that we would want. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah, so we noticed that our volume and all of those things, like it could be a whole lot better, and you know, we really want the best. Oh, got it. But I've not heard much. Oh, you know what? I think I have heard of the Mark II. Yeah, but no, we want something else. Yeah. But yeah, so we are looking for a vlogging camera. So y'all, we about to get in our vlogging bag. So that's like this wide. So guys, we're looking for organization for everything, like bathroom organization, our side table, like nightstand organization. Like I really want to get organized with that. And then what is this here? No clue. Oh, bless you. Did you cover your mouth, sir? Look at him. Look just as clueless as that sneeze. So we don't have this one. We have one that we purchased from TJ Maxx about a week or so ago. And I like it better. What is this guy? What do you like better? The TJ Maxx one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know why. It just seems cuter or something. And it's the same acrylic type style. You don't need, you can have taller things. Oh yeah. In the bottom one. And it doesn't make sense to have really tall things in this part. So little space that you can use it for spices. Yeah, so we're really trying to get organized, and that's closet organization and all the organizations. Okay, Target with the Bottega dupes. All right. Okay. Go ahead, Target. We're here at Tea Around Town. So exciting. We were about to miss it because we were like over there. So yeah.
I